Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab fingers. We'll start by selecting the freshest crab, ensuring your dish has the best possible flavor. Then, I'll guide you through essential preparation steps, making sure your crab is ready for cooking. We'll cover different cooking methods, from quick sautéing to baking, so you can choose what works best for you. Finally, I'll share some fantastic serving ideas to impress your guests. First, ensure your crab fingers are fully thawed if they were frozen, ideally overnight in the refrigerator. Gently rinse them under cool water to remove any ice crystals or debris, then pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a good sear or crisp. Next, season them lightly with your favorite blend, perhaps some salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder, to enhance their natural sweetness. There are several delicious ways to cook crab fingers. For a quick method, sauté them in a hot pan with a tablespoon of butter or olive oil for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until lightly golden. Alternatively, you can shallow fry them in about 1/2 inch of hot oil until they're beautifully golden brown. If you prefer baking, arrange them on a sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. The key is to cook them until just opaque. Once cooked, serve your crab fingers immediately to enjoy them at their best. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens their flavor wonderfully. Consider offering a selection of dipping sauces, such as a zesty remoulade, classic drawn butter, or even a spicy aioli, allowing everyone to customize their experience. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. Enjoy your homemade crab fingers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.